morning students. Today teaching for 10th science. The 10th science first 6 lesson physics. Then first lesson laws of motion. Then laws of motion. The important words motion. The motion is continuously moving object. Then next learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to. Then next understand the concept of force and motion. Concept of force, the object position changes. Then motion, the continuously moving object. Then next explain inertia. The inertia is a rest or uniform motion, that is called inertia, its types. Then next states the three law of Newton. The Newton physics scientist, the Newton's form of three laws. Then next apply Newton in concept of and force and motion. The Newton's law uses of many more uses of human life. Then next define force, momentum and impulse. Momentum, mass into velocity, and impulse, the weight into force. Then next distinguish between mass and weight. Mass depend of size and weight depend of gravity force. Then next analyze weightlessness. The weightlessness is feel of weightless and conservation of momentum, the collision process. Then object collision process. Then next explain the law of gravitation and application. The law of gravitation, letter small g. The small g is very important. Then next understand the variation in g, height and depth, the place to place changes of small g. Then next solve numerical problems related force and motions. Then next the introduction. Human beings are so curious about things around them. Things around us are related to one another. Some bodies are at rest and some are in motion. Rest and motion are interrelated terms. This means humans also compared to one object and another object. Then one object is rest, then another object is motion. Then rest and motion is interrelated terms. Then next, then the previous classes you have learnt about various type of motion such as linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion and so on. So far you have discussed the motion of bodies in terms of their displacement, velocity and acceleration. In this unit, let us investigate the case of motion. The motion depend of displacement, velocity, acceleration, the important words. Then next, when your body is at rest, start moving. A questions that arise in our mind is what cause the body to move. Similarly, when a moving object comes to rest, you would like to now we brings it to rest. If a moving object speeds up or slow down or changes its direction, what speeds up or slows down the body, what changes the direction of motion. Then next, one answer for all the above questions is force. The erase the all the question with this answer is one, that is called force. In a common means understand of motion, a body needs a push or pull. The force explained of push or pull to move or brings to rest or change its velocity. Hence this push or pull is called force. Then next, let us define force in a more scientific manner using the three laws proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. This law help you to understand the motion of your body and also predict the future course of its motion. If you know the forces acting on it before Newton formulated his three laws of motions, different prescription about the force and motion bodies prevailed. Let us first look at these ideas and then eventually learn about Newton's law in these units. Then mechanics. Then mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the effect of force on bodies. The important words: effect of force on bodies. It is divided into two branches, namely statics and dynamics. Two topics: statics and dynamics. Then one, statics. Statics, it deals with the bodies which are at rest under the action of force. The important words: rest under the action of force. Then next, dynamics. It is the study of moving bodies under the action of force. The important words: moving bodies under the action of forces. Dynamics is further divided as follows. Then one, kinematics. Then next, kinetics. Kinematics, it deals with the motion of bodies without considering the case of motion. Then kinetics, it deals with the motion of bodies considering the case of motions. Okay, okay students, today you are understanding important uses of force and motion. Then next class, teaching of topic force and motion briefly. Okay students, thank you to all. This lesson teaching by G. Hariharan, PT assistant, Sri Vidhi Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakambali.